Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, May 2nd. And along with the summer and spring type warmth, we've got springtime thunderstorms that's going to be moving into the area. And really from tonight through tomorrow night, we could see some of those storms being on the severe side. We're on the marginal risk for those severe thunderstorms. And again, if you're out there in a golf course and you do see lightning or hear thunder, take cover. Don't take any chances. And again, it's going to be pretty mild right through the weekend. Even though we'll cool off a little bit, we'll still be around 80 today. And then I think we'll see temperatures mainly in the 60s and 70s right on through the weekend. So overall, pretty nice spring pattern coming up. And we had a high yesterday of 83.3 degrees. So we were just a little bit shy of the record yesterday. And the low of 56.8, no precipitation since midnight. We'll start to see that change here as the day wears on. If we look at current temperatures this morning, very balmy temperatures out there, 70 degrees at Newaygo. And again, our normal highs are about 64 degrees, so our low temperatures were actually warmer than the normal highs. So very warm out there, and you can see no precipitation recorded yet at any of our locations. Again, we'll start to see that change first in Newaygo, Clarksville, and Lakeview, and it'll eventually spread into other portions of mid-Michigan this morning. And then I think a much better chance of more widespread showers and thunderstorms will occur tonight into tomorrow. And it was definitely a cold and snowy April. You can see some of the snowfall amounts. There were actually some reports just to the west or just to the east of Grand Traverse Bay of over 40 inches. You can see some of the snowfall amounts in central and northern Michigan. Again, Breckenridge 7.2, Muskegon 7.5, Flint 7.9. Saginaw one, I don't see anything where they recorded snow around the 3rd or 4th of April, so I'm kind of questioning. I think they actually got more snow than that. Looks like maybe just a misreading. And again, very significant snows for April across northern lower Michigan. And you can see the forecasted charts I have out here for this forecasted rainfall for today, tomorrow, and Friday. Again, my goal or my forecast is 1.2 to 1.6 when you consider all 14 of these stations as an average. And again, there's the target zone, and we'll fill in these as rainfall begins across the area, and we'll update that several times a day. And if you look at satellite view, the GO-16, you can see where some of these big tornadoes occurred yesterday on the points of the wedge of these MCS complex. Those where you're always going to look for the potential for some very severe weather, and that definitely was the case yesterday. And you can see some of those colder cloud tops indicating a lot of the showers and thunderstorms now trying to move into northwestern lower Michigan. And again, eventually we'll all get in on the showers and thunderstorms. And again, keep an eye to the sky. Some of these could be on the strongest severe side, especially for tonight into tomorrow night. And you can see a lot of these thunderstorms occurring across Wisconsin, dissipating during the morning hours, but we'll see these refire as the day goes on. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see a couple low pressure systems, and it's going to keep this cold front very slowly moving to the southeast. So we're going to have a pretty prolonged period with at least a chance of showers and thunderstorms. And you can see the severe weather outlook and some of the flood concerns across the center portion of the nation. And then by tomorrow morning, that front draped over central Michigan to the south of that, warm, humid with thunderstorms, heavy rains near this area again along that front. And then finally by Friday, that front's still not quite through the area. And again, not real cold air behind this system. That'll be bottled way up into Canada. So we'll see pretty mild conditions right on through the weekend as it looks right now. As far as the day one severe weather out, you can see a moderate risk from portions of northeastern, portions of Kansas, northwestern Missouri. And again, a large area of slight risk comes up to about the Chicagoland all the way back to Texas. And again, here in mid-Michigan for the MAC area, a marginal risk that some of those storms could be severe. Would not be surprised for tomorrow's outlook to see that increase to a slight chance. And you can see for tomorrow, marginal risk from about Muskegon or towards Port Huron, or maybe actually north of that towards Saginaw. Again, so much of the area will have a marginal risk tomorrow. And again, this for the day two, it's not uncommon. I would not be surprised to see another moderate risk embedded within this area here tomorrow. As far as precipitation goes, lots of precipitation, inch to an inch and a half widespread across much of the area. And as far as the forecast goes today, highs around 80. The 80% chance of thunderstorms and showers will be for tonight. Again, about 40% for this morning into the day. And then I think a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. I think that's when our best chance of the heaviest rains and the best chance for severe weather will occur. And again, 1.2 to 1.6 inches of rain. Some of that showers and thunderstorms will continue into Friday morning before moving out, giving us overall a fairly decent weekend. We could have some showers late Saturday night into early Sunday, but for the most part, most of the time it'll be dry over the weekend, but we do have that period of showers that we could see. But again, temperatures cooling down to the 60s, but still not too bad. About a week ago, we'd have been very happy with 60-degree temperatures. As far as Weather Watch, nothing for the Great Lakes out there today. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.